All right, I do believe it might be puppy day. It is a Tuesday, and technically she's not due till Thursday, but she is, last night before bed, she started kind of panting, looking a little distressed, and then at about 3 in the morning, she started waking me up, which is not her style right now, coming over to my side of the bed, and you know, I call it conniving. She was like messing with my pillows and trying to make herself a bed like she's doing right now. And she finally, then she got up after a while, panting, moving around. Then she got up and moved to the hallway. Then she kind of, not very long after that, came to the foot of the bed and was like looking at the foot of the bed. I helped her get on our bed, and she would like lay and rest and then get up and be like really panty. Look at her. Talk about nesting. She's literally making a nest. And yeah, lots of panting and can't settle down, discomfort, distress. She just went pee and poop, so that's good. She doesn't want to eat, but a little early. Early for a dog. I know 2 days isn't early, but dogs are pregnant for, I believe, 64 days from conception as a general rule, and last time she had her pups right on that 64th day. So I'm gonna check my calendar, and but yeah, I think we might be. What do you think, Coretta? Scarlet, what do you think? She's being very motherly to her baby from the first litter, who's here. She's like licking his ears, and this is Daddy right now. He's just being needy to get attention. Scarlet, is today, Coretta? Scarlet. We'll see. All right, she had this one on the couch because this is coming a lot faster than expected. This is a little girl. I literally looked over, I was like, oh my gosh, there's a puppy coming out. Scarlet, goodness, good girl.
Yeah, she's not supposed to, her due date's in like 2 days.
Well, I knew she's been in labor since this morning, but yes, this is a little bit faster. We were gonna bind up your tail.
Let's do this color, because it's the same color as Scarlet's collar.
Okay, sounds good.
Oh,
careful. Okay.
Yeah, you see, it's still there.
Oh, be careful, Scarlet.
Careful.
Okay,
She just missed it.
Good job.
All right,
Good job, Mama.
Oh, look at those little ears.
Good job. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the air conditioner. Okay. Totally caught off guard by that. Not totally, because I had put blankets and towels down on the couch because she was just laboring, but she literally started going, ugh, which took hours last time of her doing that. So I was like, okay, cool. We're like an hour away. Nope, baby came out right there. I looked over, I was like, there's a baby hanging out of her. So we have one little girl so far.
You're such a good
Little
mama.
girl, and she's dark red.
Oh yeah, she's like the darkest red I've seen.
She's very dark. Oh, look at her go. She's already figuring it out.
Yeah, she's a lot darker than
What a good mama.
all the other ones.
What a good mama. She's down here. Don't worry. Careful. She's right here. She's right here. I know. Yes. What a good mommy. Look at this baby. So cute.
Aww.
Precious.
That's such a good one.
Okay, you got another one coming. Look.
Oh, we got another one?
Can't tell. Hold on. Hold on. What are we doing? Let me see.
That's little other baby.
She's coming. Okay. No, nothing yet. Good job. Good
Is she
job,
pushing again?
Scarlet. I haven't seen her have any contractions yet. Remember the first time there was like 4 back to back minutes apart.
Yeah. Oh, there's
there
one.
we go. Okay.
There's a baby.
Moving along. Good job, Scarlet. Good job.
Alright, you got towels and stuff ready? You're just gonna use these ones? Dude, those ones look okay. Well, maybe that one.
I don't think I used these.
Alright, if you need more, I can get you stitches. They're everywhere over there.
The boys aren't even home. They went
Yeah.
to run an errand. I'm like,
To buy more stuff. Did you get the little squeegee
good
thing too?
job, Scar. You're such a good
Did you get the squeegee thing?
You're such a good mama.
Like
yeah,
the
it's
little-
on that side of the tub.
Right.
Okay, Copper's missing. I don't even know where.
No, he's on the front porch. It's on.
Oh, okay.
I think.
Camel's banished to the back porch.
Watch the baby. Watch the baby. It's got it. Oh, okay. We saved the baby there.
She's good. Good job. There's your baby. There's your baby. She wants some milk.
Trying. Sorry for the bad camera footage thing. I'm trying to help the baby. This is actually kind of not helpful.
Okay.
Oh, Scarlet, you're such a good mommy. Don't sit on your baby.
Good job, girlfriend. No. Go lay down.
All right. Look at how beautiful you are. Look at how dark that baby is compared to even her.
Like wet.
Yeah, but still, those other ones were not that dark.
I just want to be warm.
Because it's cold in here. This is off.
I turn it off. I'm gonna have more babies. Oh, there's a push.
Here, I'm gonna pause this for a second.
Oh, precious. She also ate the whole thing off of, like, all of the placenta off before I even got her.
Oh, wow.
What a pretty girl. You got her all right. I'm giving her some vigorous treatment, dear. Let me see if I can feel it.
Don't you need to, like, message the person who got the puppy? Something? I don't know. I feel like you should. I don't know.
Right now, in the middle of the litter, I should be like, hey, there's a puppy. I don't even know if she wants a girl or a boy, frankly. Oh.
Look at this beautiful mommy.
Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Carnetta, you're a good girl. First come, first serve, huh? Good job.
You just decided that you wanted to have a little baby on the couch.
That is hilarious.
Oh,
No burp.
that's so good. My fingernails are so long. A little push.
Is that a push?
Just a little one.
Good job. What journal did you get?
I just grabbed one of Merritt's dresser that he only wrote in a couple pages. It says Nash on it. Oh. To push.
She's got latched on here. She is doing good jobs. She is doing good jobs.
And so is her
Can you
mommy.
see her? Can you scooch in? Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that sweet? Good her
Scarlett's like, yeah,
go.
look at that.
Oh, big push. Mama's got it going on. You know how God designed it, is now that actually makes more contractions happen as you
When they're
as
nursing?
something's nursing on you. Just the same as when a human has a baby. We have to then deliver the placenta afterwards.
Yeah.
Well, when we put a baby to nurse, our body contracts and our uterus contracts to push out the placenta. Isn't that brilliant?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Oh, pushes. Good job, Mama.
But yeah, when she was on the couch, she, like, long pushes. And that's what kind of made me
That's funny.
start to do this. Like, I was rushing
Where was
around.
I? Out in the camper?
No, like, you were, I don't know where you were, but you're like, oh yeah, they got time. And I'm rushing around because
literally
I did
thought we
not
had,
believe
like,
you.
we got an hour. I didn't even call your dad.
Yeah,
was
I
gonna
did
call him
not
once I
believe
settled
you.
down. I was like, all right, you better come, make your way back home. Oh, definitely getting close to get her with the pushes. Where's the squeegee ball?
Squeegee bowl. Wow.
Here's my washcloth.
Alright, do you need anything else? I'm trying to remember.
Little scar.
She like looks at you, like save me.
You got crazy eyes, sister. It's funny, she totally knows though this time because
Yeah, she's
last
got
time
it.
she was in and out, like, I need to go poop, I don't know what's happening, I need to push
Yeah,
poop
no,
out.
now
Like,
she knows.
Oh,
Oh, little baby.
good girl.
You
You
see
should have
anything?
trimmed all this.
Yeah. Do you want some scissors?
No.
little baby's doing stuff as well. Okay, you're such a good mom. I feel like.
Come over to this side.
Okay, yeah. Mistake me, not mistake me. Correct me if I'm wrong. I feel like that puppy's a little bit bigger than they were last time.
I honestly can't remember.
I know, because like the only thing I can remember is the videos and stuff. Just a little bit bigger.
You're good. You're good.
We got you, Scar.
I'll help you. I'll help you. Come around this way.
It's now 11:49. Yep, 11:49. We're getting
Oh yeah.
puppy.
It's right there. Do you see the little?
Yeah, you can barely see it.
Oh, keep going, girl. Good
Got
job.
that, Mama. Keep going. Mama goes to the bathroom and she starts having back-to-back.
I was like, I know how to speed this up. I'm going to the bathroom.
Where's your little puppy? Oh, here. Where's the other one? Oh, it's hanging on her because it's still nursing. Okay, it's very committed. Here, I think she needs. I'm just gonna steal this puppy for a second. Oh, you see, it's just your baby. It's just your baby. There. Alright, go back over here. Come on, just get the puppy out. Come on, go right here. Just about to start like going through our last letter or whatever, like what happened or whatever. Look at those little mommy and baby. Wow, Scarlet.
You toss them around, girlfriend.
It's got a long tail too, it's so cute. Alright, where's the other baby? Okay, got one out.
Come on. Oh, yeah. Let's see.
Okay. You get it?
Oh, yeah. Good. Washcloth.
Washcloth, washcloth.
Good job, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, that needs to come out. There we go. Holy macaroni. I've never seen that before.
Never seen what?
The whole placenta coming out.
Really?
Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Okay,
Yeah, that's
okay.
Let me just save this guy. Ew.
Goodness
Oh.
gracious, goodness gracious. Okay.
She just like inhaled that.
It's actually really good for them. Okay. Give me another one.
Another washcloth, got it.
Okay.
Good
Good job, Mama.
She cut the thing too. Okay.
Good job.
Good, good,
Good
good.
job, Mama. Oh, yeah. What do we got here?
Let me see.
Oh,
Well, let's try to just hang on for just a hot second.
yes. Good job. Good job. Okay. You take it.
Oh, wait, let me see.
In a minute. Hold on.
Okay.
This is just hurting.
Well, you good?
Okay.
Got another puppy. Okay, what time is it?
No, good call.
12:02.
Between guys.
Okay. Well, we got a little puppy. Oh my gosh.
Ready.
We're going on 4 puppies.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, good girl. Oh, good girl.
Does she get the placenta out or no?
Let me see. Thank you. I don't know. We'll get that in a second. Hold on. Let me get to the head.
Scarlet. Does it look like it's still bleeding?
It is fine.
On the second puppy, it would not stop, the umbilical cord or whatever would not stop bleeding, so we called the vet and we had to tie it off with fishing wire. This one seems to be okay. Scarlet, be careful with it.
Okay. Give me a washcloth.
Washcloth. It's now bleeding on its umbilical cord.
Good job, Scar.
Alright, do you know if it's a boy or girl?
Yeah, I can tell. It looks like it has long eyelashes. Little white dot on its head.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Green. Didn't Soy have one or
I
something?
thought Green Bean had one too. Yeah,
I thought they all kind of had them.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is our fourth. We have a boy and 2 girls.
Hopefully this
Yeah,
one's a
you're gonna
boy.
need to get the rest of that out of there, girlfriend. Yeah,
Watch those little puppies.
they're fine. Okay, come here. All right, girl. Let's see. What do we got?
Mama.
She's wet. She. It's a boy.
Oh, cool, little boy.
Okay,
Looks like a boy.
we're going
Yeah,
for
looks
gray
like
this
boy.
time.
No, we're gonna do dark blue. We're not giving a little cute puppy
Okay, I got it.
gray.
Dark blue or light?
Dark blue.
Let me just straighten it out a little bit so it's easier to put on. Oh wow, that's
Good
a
job.
bigger one.
Got little white toes.
Oh.
Good job, Mama.
Wow, mom's don't. Here, careful. Look.
Okay, got the collar.
Can't wait till
Here,
I
Gage,
get
why don't you take over filming? I gotta mark all that down.
It is 12, probably
Yeah,
12,
Kenny's
28.
is so bad at
It's
holding
12:29
hands.
right now. We're going to 12:28.
Yeah.
Carita.
All right.
Good.
2 boys, 2 girls. So far. Let me see what we got going on down here, girlfriend. Look at that. Some stuff. We have a bloody down there.
Okay, you're ready.
Take the channel. Channel.
So cute. She's got some crazy eyes. Look at her face.
He's like, oh my god.
Look, there's a little kitten.
Wait.
I mean, not a kitten, a puppy. We don't have to do it all the time. You put. Trying to keep them kind of warm. There's another one. Contraction. Yeah. Oh, careful. Mary, put her tail down.
Just making sure there's no pups coming. Making sure there ain't no pups coming.
Now she's looking at it. Yeah.
Yeah, but about. Did you get the other placenta? Placenta? Whatever.
Pulling. I think she's just trying to clean off her fur.
Yeah, she's just trying to.
Hold on, let me see.
Come on, one more push. Almost there.
Good job, girlfriend.
Almost. Good push.
One more push, Scarlet.
Yeah, you see it?
Good.
Almost Scarlet.
You see that?
Yeah. Oh.
Good job.
Almost. Kittens, get the sucker ready. Get over here. Okay. Never mind.
Good job.
Oh, so close, Scarlet.
Good job. I know you need more energy. Oh, good job. Good job. One more. Come on. Oh, come on. Push it out.
Scarlet.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Help me out, girl. Help me out. Help me out. Push again.
Oh, does it go back in?
It did. It's right there.
Push, Scarlet. Girl, so
Girl.
close.
She's like, help me out, Mom. Come on.
Oh.
Come on. I can't quite get it. I need your help.
She's got it.
Green's color is messed up.
What's wrong with Green's collar? Where's Green?
He's under.
It's good.
Come on, good girl.
Good girl.
Yeah, Garbon so black.
I'm gonna get this. Like, enough on that, dude. Come on, girl. No, I'm telling Carla to She's out of energy, I could tell.
Almost there, Scarlet.
Come on, Scarlet. Good girl.
Come on, Scarlet. Come on. Scarlet, you're okay.
Good girl.
No.
One more good one, Scarlet.
Hold on.
Oh.
There you go. There you go. What on earth? There we go.
There we
That's the
go.
biggest
Good
Good
girl. That's a
job.
big
Oh, it's backwards. That's the problem. It's
one.
backwards.
Yeah,
Okay,
it came
give
out
me the-
backwards.
Give me the sucker.
Good
He got
girl.
one sometime immediately.
Get puppy.
Oh, you.
That's
That
a
is
big one.
He's a big boy. Or girl.
Whichever one.
Good job.
That was a lot. He's got a lot of stuff.
That's a big pup.
Good job. Okay. Give me a washcloth. Give me a washcloth.
Right.
Give her a wash.
I don't know yet. I don't know yet. Hold on. Let's get this out, Carletta.
Ew, that is weird.
Baby was
Can I get the whole
born.
Does she have to eat it, the whole thing?
She will. This actually gets her some more energy.
So she can get to that.
All these other babies are like, yeah, we already did that. We were born.
Yeah, she
You're
still
right,
has
Lauren.
some down there.
Okay, let's see. Let's see, girl.
Girl.
It's a big girl.
I'm ready for her to have some more babies, so we can do all of this.
All right, we're up to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 3 boys, 4 girls this time so far. We'll see if you have any more. Oh no, that definitely feels like there's something in there right there. Definitely feels like something's in there. It feels like something's down there too, actually. We'll see. You're being so good. Good job. Such a good mama. Took a good care of this little one here. Had a little scare. We had to tie her umbilical cord. She's doing good. Scarlet's probably pulled it off, frankly. I don't know if you can even see it on there anymore. Good job. Very good.
This one took a minute. Finally got that one out. Oh, what time is it? Hold on, wait. 4:34. Got it. 4:44. That's number 8. All right.
Okay. Going out.
That.
We're having puppies all day today. We are just having puppies all day today.
Just get me umbilical cord, so give me a second.
There we go. Can you talk about it? Okay, you got that. Okay. And pull out the
Rub it a little
placenta.
bit so it's good.
Let's see. Come here.
Oh.
Oh, did you get that?
Yeah.
All right.
That
What do
was
we got
disgusting.
here? Girl.
Oh my gosh.
Another girl.
I'm out of names.
McKinley.
McKinley?
That's cute.
Okay, McKinley. We'll look into that.
Oh, you did so good, Mama.
Okay.
Goodness, I wasn't sure about this one. I was a little nervous.
Here, I'll grab your collar. We are completely out of girl colors, so we're gonna use white. See? Oh my gosh, it's hard to do this with one hand. Who knew Velcro could be so hard? Gah. Camo. No, he's terrified of the babies.
What do you think? What do you think? He's like, that thing smells like this. You're like, nope.
His
don't wanna be
face.
friends with that. Oh, you got a color for me?
Yep, here it is.
You don't want to do yellow?
Well, it's a girl.
Yeah, yellow's girly.
I'm gonna mistake it for a boy since camo was yellow last time.
Oh, come on, yellow.
I was still calling purple color lima.
Here, help me out.
That one's especially
Hold on.
getting me. Okay, hold on. Goodbye, camera.
Pushing.
You can dig yourself around there.
Pushes.
Look at the little white one. What's this one's name again? What was this one's name again? White one? White one is Taylor.
Taylor. How you doing, girl? You gonna have a 10th baby? She's like, I don't even know where I am at. Oh, there it is. Okay. Maybe this is sucker.
Time. I mean, sucker.
Okay.
Okay, sucker. Towel's right next to you. More behind you. And it is. What time is it? Tell me. 5:44.
Still in there.
How is it? Make it move a little bit. So is it good?
I think so.
It seems like it's not moving that much. Yeah. There you go. Give it a nice scrub.
Organize them thin really.
Okay, that's gross. That is gross.
Are we gonna get like kicked off YouTube or something for that?
Oh, this is educational. Okay. Tough YouTube. Careful, gosh. Okay, I'll take this one. You take the rest of that. Oh, goodness me. Okay, be careful. Oh, okay. Okay.
Is it bleeding?
What do we got? A boy.
A boy?
A boy.
Yay! Finally!
Another boy.
Alright, that was what?
Alright, we're changing out the bedding. Night 1. 10 puppies were born. This time we did it in our living room.
Well, because we weren't really ready.
Well, also, we were always going to do it in the living room, not the guest room this time.
I knew it. I knew you do it back porch or something. Why don't you film who you're talking to? You guys smell over there.
I'm filming the dog, so why don't you not do your hair while we're filming, okay?
It's in the way. The dogs. He's got so much hair.
Okay, there's 2 little pups right there. They are just little rats.
Oh, look. We're going to have our very first boy in the pile.
So it was
4. I think it's like ratio 4 to 6.
4 boys and 6 girls. All right, keep grabbing them. Shoot her leg. Yeah.
Girl and boy.
I'm not really worried about that at the moment. We just want to get them out of the tub. So a lot of birth staining there, nastiness.
Little girl.
So we're gonna kind of, now that Scarlet's done with the birthing. Oh, look at those little guys.
Girl.
All right, last 2. Oh, here comes Mommy. Mommy says, what are you doing over there? Scarlet. She will not leave them. Scarlet! Scarletta! Oh, she won't leave those babies. You want to come outside? Come here, girl. Scarlet, come. Come here. Come go pee-pee. Good girl. Oh, yeah. Oh, hush. All right, we're all swapped out. Oh my goodness, Trump pooped?
Yeah.
Trump!
Uh-oh, yikes. Careful with Scarlet. Goodness gracious, Scarlet.
Oh, hey, little
What?
Trump do.
Man, Trump's been doing